Let's see how to animate icon like this. So I found this Figma file on Figma community with these cute AI icons. So I thought, why not try to animate them? So I'm selecting this icon to animate. I'm copying this icon and I've pasted it here. So one thing that I'm going to change is, since the entire icon is one vector, I'm going to cut this star from here and paste it as a separate vector because I only want the star to be in motion. Now after doing that, I'm going to make 4 copies of this, and after making copies, I'll select the star from our first icon, and if you notice, the rotation here is 0 degree. Now I'll select the second star from the second icon and make the rotation as minus 90 degree. Third one, I'll change that to 180, and the fourth one, I'll make it 90 degree. After doing this, I'll select all 4 of these and I'll make them into a component set. Now I'm also going to switch to prototype mode, and the first icon, I'll connect it with the second one, and for the trigger, I'm going to choose after delay, which means user will not have to take any action to trigger this motion. It will automatically start after the time you set. So I'm going to set 100 millisecond, and I've also selected smart animate, and the curve I've selected is linear because I've noticed with rotation linear looks good. So after doing this, I'm going to repeat the same thing with the rest of the icons. So I'll connect the second one with the third one with the fourth one, and with the fourth one, I will connect that again to the first one because we want it to be in a loop. And for rest of the icons, I'm going to keep the time for delay as 800 millisecond itself. Now after doing this, let's put this in a frame and see how it looks. That's it. That's how you make a simple icon animation. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you liked the video, make sure to give a thumbs up. Thank you.